is Jonny Yumol from San Antonio, Texas. I've been bartending for 16 years. I currently run Bar du Mon Ami over there in San Antonio. It's a little neighborhood called Alamo Heights. I'm right now at Brass Hall here in Marble Fall, Texas. And I'm here to make a few cocktails for you guys. Next drink I'm gonna make, just a little favorite at the bar. It's a classic. I'm sure everybody knows how to make this one. This is called a Fitzgerald. So it's basically a gin gimlet, except we're using lemon juice. Squeezing out right now, about 3/4 ounce. There we go. And I'm gonna use about a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. 2 ounces of gin. Shout out to him, Distill Austin. A couple of dash of bitters. There you go, Fitzgerald.